Yo, man, got us pizza from Jessica's place, man. You know, the one where she only cooks with her apron on. Anyway, your favorite? Pepperoni.
I don't even like pepperoni, and you only like Jessica's pepperoni.
Bro, trust me, bro, I won't make the same mistake as last time. It's halal pepperoni, okay? And, oh, today is Friday. Eh, my bad, bro. After Friday prayer, we shall eat pepperoni together. Oh my gosh. It's so oily. Bro, this doesn't smell like mine. Is it yours?
What the fuck? That's disgusting.
What? So you don't mind then? Anyway, hand me the remote. I want to change the channel.
I don't have it.
What do you mean you don't have the remote?
I told you, I don't have it.
Stop lying to me.
I don't have it.
Bro, I've known this guy since the day I was born. In fact, before I was born, I already knew him. Before he was born, I also knew him. When he was just an egg-cell, I also knew him. So from the very moment he was born, I knew he was a liar. I 100% knew he was a liar. Bro, quit playing games and give me the remote.
Fuck off, dude. I just want to watch TV.
Just stand up right now.
Bro, no.
Alright, that's it, Buster. Get your ass off this couch right now.
No. I kind of want to just piss him off, you know? Like, really, really piss him off. He's always blaming me for shit that I didn't do. So, I guess this is like my way of taking revenge.
Alright, that's it.
No!
Time to go!
Get away! Wait! Revenge.
Let's go! Let's go! Get off! Get off!
蜂蜜哦，可以跟我们讲一讲是怎么开始使用这两款产品的？
Yo, you see that?
有时候压力是真的蛮大的。
Yeah, I did.
就会
Well, it wasn't me.
小酒。
Well, obviously, it wasn't me either.
Well, then who was it then?
Let me think. Maybe it was Casper the fucking ghost.
Casper the ghost did this.
Yeah,
That's what you're saying.
yeah.
Alright, I've had enough of your bullshit, man. Let's sell this like real, man.
Oh yeah?
Oh yeah?
Oh yeah? Oh yeah?
Oh, you wanna go?
Yeah!
Oh yeah!
Oh yeah!
Let's do it!
年纪也开始
Staring contest. Whoever loses will automatically fess up. And it's been working great for us ever since. I mean, maybe I'm just some kind of emotional genius or something, right? To come up with such a brilliant solution, but maybe I'm just too humble as well.
You know what? If it makes him happy, why fix it? Why fix it?
Alright, fess up, bitch! Where's my remote?
Dude, I'm telling you, I don't have it.
Like, for real, for real?
For real. For real. Okay, how about I'll look for the remote, okay?
Okay, then while you look for the remote, I'm gonna be looking at Veronica's pepperonis.
Don't you mean Jessica?
Nope.
Okay.